To say sorry in Spanish, say lo siento. You can also say lo siento mucho, which means I'm very sorry. To express deep regret about something, say lo lamento, which translates to I regret it. To say sorry in Spanish for something minor, like accidentally bumping into someone, say perdón. There are a lot of other ways you can phrase an apology in Spanish too. For example, you might say, Siento lo ocurrido, which means, I'm sorry about what happened. Or you could say, Te debo una disculpa, which means, I owe you an apology. Me equivoqué means, I was wrong. And es culpa mía means, it's my fault.